table here. We are creating in the university a table named student. So how the student structure will look like? So you see that in this table you are seeing some roll number, name, age and marks. These fields come to be known as column in table, and these are actually the attribute of student. If you have learned any database previously, so when we are working on any object, which is we called in the term of database as an entity, so entity have some attributes, that is features. In normal language we say features. If we are talking about some students and we think about a student, so what first question come to your mind, that if we are talking about a student have some name, student have some age, roll number, like that. Okay, so what is this? That is the quality of student. What is the feature of student? What student must have is student have a roll number, age, name, marks, section, gender, something like that. So these features of the students are called attributes, and they are arranged in the form of columns and table. And when we talk about particular student, suppose I am going to talk about roll number 1. So roll number 1 is the student whose name is Ram and his age is 20 and marks are 400. So this 1 Ram, 20 and 400 in the form of table come to be known as row. And when we talk particularly about first row, that is 1 Ram, 20, 400, they are combinedly come to be known as tuple. Okay, so this is the concept of table, that table is made of row and column, and each row with each complete row is known as tuple. So let us create a table. So in order to create table, we have to first go to our workbench. In workbench we are at workbench, and we are now creating the table for our database university. We are creating a table named student. So for which we are writing the syntax create. Our syntax is create table, and we will write student, the name of the table. Then we will give a bracket and we will write data type, that is we will write attribute type. We will write roll number, which is an attribute of student, followed by its data type integer and its constant primary key. As you know that in SQL we will learn about the data types. It may be an integer. For attribute it may be a data type like it is of a character, integer, float, whatever the values it is, and the constant like not, null, unique, primary key, or for entry. We will learn about this concept later in later videos. Then we will write the student name, which is varchar. Then we will write age, that is int. Only we will take these values, and we will just select this and run this query, and our table is being created. So we will go through our PPT and just have a view for that. What we have done, we have created a database, that is create database university. Then we have used the database university. Then we create the table. Syntax of create table is create table name, data type, data constants, data name, data type, data constant. So we have create table student, roll number int, primary key, student name varchar 20 and age int. Now next step is we will check how to insert the value in a table. So in order to insert a value in a table, what we will do, we will write again a next syntax, insert into student values, and we will write roll number 1 Ram and marks 400. Close the bracket. And we will run this. One row is selected. So you can how see this. In order to see how the values are inserted, we will write query select star from student and we will run it. You can see roll number is 1, name is Ram and age is 400. You can edit it here from here also. You can edit it and you can see it. Then we can insert multiple values also at a time. Instead of value you have to write values and then we can write to Shyam 300, then bracket in this way we can write multiple values together. And we will run this. You can see the 2 rows are affected and you just again run this select star from student. Get roll number, S name and age and we will get all the data we have inserted. So you can see that how we have created the table, insert the values and insert multiple values. So we have just a small look for that. We just go through the PPT. We have inserted the values in table. We have a syntax, insert into table name values data value, and for multiple value insert into table values. So thus we have created our table. We have insert simple values, single value and multiple values in a table. In next video we will learn to create, we will learn about data types and data constraints. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.